Trending stars.
The last time we had Loiso, it was also festive season. You came here to do the Christmas karaoke. I remember very well because I presented that program as well, and you were nervous. You were like, yeah, I can do this, I'm wrong, but look at you now, you're a superstar.
I'm a superstar. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I think it's just a journey, like you get from one step to another. Baby steps.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, but this is Trending Star, and I am Alina Kuchunga, and today we have Loiso Ndimaliva Avutawa. Well, just for starters, before we dive deep into your journey, your music, because that's a heartbreak song.
Yeah.
Are you heartbroken?
I think everybody is. Kumano, we are just good at concealing them. If there's a person who is not heartbroken in a way that we don't know how.
And heartbroken people, please give us your lives.
Because so when writing that, it was, for me, it's not a process of writing. It's just how I feel.
Yeah.
So when I felt that, it was just a matter of now putting together the words, but it's a letter to myself, telling myself how much I should love myself. You know, we always blame the other person.
Yeah.
So we have to caution ourselves, tell ourselves, you know, sometimes you see red flags, but you're like, hey, I'll change them, I'll change her. So it's complicated like that.
Okay. Yeah, guys, anywho, we shall view in heaven at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, it's all about self-love.
Yeah, it's all about self-love, and I think I was talking about this yesterday. The heart has played victim.
Yeah.
Kwambili. So we neglect zinto zina zimene zikumazuzika. So on the self note, self-love would be somewhere around there.
Okay.
Yeah.
As much as guys, I reserve my comment for future is coming after the interview. Yeah. But now let people know Loiso. How did you find yourself doing music?
I think I realized I could do a little music around 2007 with my brother. So we're chilling like back to say it, and we just end up coming up with a song. Whatever we're doing there.
Yeah.
So from 2007 to 2010, my elder brother was like, I think these kids can sing. So we recorded a couple of tracks, an album actually.
Oh.
Yeah. So recorded that album. It was even played by Radio Maria and stuff. So from that, fast forward to now me dropping out from the family group and doing my own stuff from 2010 to 2015, which I wasn't even pushing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fast forward from 2015 to 2024, it has just been me trying to figure out if music is really what I wanted to do. So I had to tell myself, if I really want to do music, I will be rejected for a little while.
Yeah.
You know, because music and Malawian parents and friends, it's like, it's not guaranteed. That's a word I've heard a lot, like music is not guaranteed, which is true, but it's something I want to do for myself, not for people out there. Now, I will do it for people out there because you guys, you know, you're here, and I love the support. But before you guys, it's been struggle.
Yeah, struggle.
Yeah, so I had to figure out and literally assure myself that this is what I'm gonna do, regardless. So from 2015 to 2024, it's been that.
Figuring it out.
Yeah, figuring
so
it
did
out.
Did you face a backlash to because I don't know, last time you were doing karaoke, we didn't know whether you're that serious into music. I think that time you were music crossroads, and then we saw you collaborate with Physics, and now did you really face the struggle?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah, I did a lot. For people who are close, they would literally tell you. Yeah. So from 2015 to 2024.
last
It's
year.
just been that.
Okay.
Like from if you don't go do something legit, you're on your own type of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I had to accept that and say, I'm doing this for myself. I love music. I'll do it. So no management, no support, just a music scholarship at Music Crossroads. Now that was around 2024.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that music scholarship had it for a year, and then fast forward to the physics song. There was a certain beat maker friend of mine called Sam Face.
Yeah.
He was like, yo bro, there's a certain beat. I want you to try freestyling on it. I should hear how it's gonna sound.
It sounds, yeah.
Yeah, so I did that in like a couple of minutes, sent it to him. And then he sends me a screenshot. The name on top, physics. I'm like,
yeah.
oh my goodness, God. But fast forward to that, career happened.
Yeah.
Did the video, and everything was sponsored by him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
and
so-
I think listening to that, some people were like, is this guy Malawian? He didn't sound Malawian.
Yo, I looked Malawian.
Did you?
No, if you just paid attention.
No. From the outfit. I mean, people were like,
Okay.
yeah, we don't think Malawi, but maybe this guy.
Yeah, look at the person inside the outfit. I was like, you tell from that video that, oh, I think, hey, a nigga's been struggling. So the clothes are the clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so fast forward, management. Now to releasing our own official videos.
Yes.
And back to Zodiak social hat. And then back to Fresh. And then let's see what else comes up.
All right. Now you have been a solo artist before, and now you're under management.
Yeah.
As an artist, how do you differentiate the two?
Hey, management teacher makes a very big difference unless you have money. Like, so even when you have money, I think you still need an outward view.
Yeah.
Not only your view. A person out there who's looking at you, saying, I think he's doing all of this, but I think there's something wrong. There's something right that he just has to do model. So management is crucial. Because prior to management,
Yeah.
so even so we meet a lot of people who carry guitars and instruments, but people don't care really.
Yeah.
If you took a minute and asked them, you'd find brilliant artists in them, So that was not possible alone. I had to find management. So management in Japan,
All right. So you've talked of how you and your brother used to make music, Muliana. Apart from that, you knew we have that singing talent as kids. Are there musical influences that you looked up to? But that person inspires me a lot. I should also, continue with this music career journey.
As I said, it's mostly something that I wanted to do. So the influences came in terms of me wanting to overcome a certain challenge. Say, I have a fellow vocalist who's good at something, and I admire that. Their influence on me would be, I would really want to do that, and I have to practice it.
Yeah.
Not necessarily I'd want to be like somebody,
Yeah.
because that's not going to happen. Doesn't matter how many times I wish it.
Yeah.
So I'll be me, but let their perfections and imperfections mold me in a way. So I've had a couple of artists that I've been following over the years. I've listened to the likes of the Lucius Bandas and the Pop Bandas when I was very young because of my family. My older brother liked songs like that, so I can like sing along to almost every Lucius Banda song. So those ones were my early influences, and then getting to the digital era now, we got to find out there's Billie Irish, Benson Boone and stuff like that. So yes, John Bellion.
Yeah, John Bellion.
Yeah, so I follow those artists because they have a unique sound in them. I went to John Bellion because he can have a lot of words in a song, but still utter every word clear.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, okay, I need to listen to a lot of this person's song. Billie Eilish has more of, she puts emotion in the words that she says. Listen to Billie Eilish, you would literally cry.
Yeah.
So that was the influence.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, talking about these influences, let's talk about the genre that you do. When you did the physics collabo, we couldn't really differentiate kuda genre yanji, but now we see Woody Ndika, just a little bit, some local touch in there, a little bit. How would you? Yeah, some afro in it. Describe it. Ugai padigizayo sakabena ndinathochira. Me, I do music.
In a way, me, I do music. So I would literally define it as afro-soul jazz.
Afro-soul jazz.
Something like that. Because I am so much interested in jazz.
Yeah.
But I can't do perfect jazz, so I just have little aspects of it and little soul in it and a little bit of afro in it.
Yeah.
So fusing all of that together just makes something else.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't really have a one word for it.
Afro-soul jazz.
So, yeah, pretty much.
Afro-soul jazz. Yeah.
Afro jazz soul.
Yeah.
Afro-soul jazz.
Of course, it goes, Afro jazz. So, is there soul jazz? I don't think so. But yeah, Afro-soul jazz works for now.
For now.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna communicate on the proper genre. but it's that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so you also play the guitar?
Yeah, the guitar and the keyboard and
the keyboard.
A little bit of some other instruments.
Okay, a little bit of everything. So do you think playing those instruments rather helps you also with, music creation? Since I'm pretty sure a solo producer is not that much necessary, because you can create your own melody at the end of the day.
Yeah, but it's rare to find an artist who can perfectly mix and balance music. So we can record it, but we would need a producer to come balance it and master it. Yeah, I think pretty much. I don't know if I remember the question that you asked, or if you asked the question, but
I think you've pretty much answered the question. Yeah. All right, now let's talk about you playing instruments. You are really good at performing live from the couple of shows that I've seen you perform at. Should we expect you maybe play with the instruments in future? Because I don't think I've seen you play with an instrument before yet.
Yeah.
But should we expect that?
Yeah, you should, very much so. Because I've been thinking, not thinking actually, it's there, that the shows that we've done were a preamble.
Yeah.
Like we're bringing out the Loiso brand out there. I am known as an acoustic performer. So you will surely see me with guitars, like literally all the time.
Okay.
On stage, off stage. Yeah, so guitars will be involved. So I'll be performing live with my instrument and the live band.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's only the acoustic guitar that you play when it comes to guitars? Or maybe the electric and...
No, all of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
No, but it's not so different when you think about it.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can play acoustic on an electric guitar. It's just how you set it.
Okay. I'm not, in the know-how of guitars, so yeah, whatever that means, guys, he can play everything and anything. Yeah. All right. Okay, so now there's an up-and-coming artist that has, come out to the public like that. Great positive criticism that's coming from the audience. Chimene, does it give you pressure? What should I release next? Governor, you're just in your own zone like that, doing things at your own pace.
The outward opinions must matter.
Yeah.
So they do and they don't. They do in a way that I'm alert that okay, I think we've stayed too long without dropping a song.
Yes.
So we're gonna drop a song that we planned, not. I think we haven't released a song yet that people demanded for.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm not usually playing my unreleased music out there. but it's just the team that has planning and a little bit of the public influence.
A little bit of the public influence.
Yeah.
Trending stars.
Yeah, so now let's talk about your music. You know, when you are creating your music, where do you get your inspiration from?
Life is the biggest inspiration. You know, you look at everything, you'll find a topic.
Yeah.
You look at everything, every single thing you see, there's a topic that can literally build up to like the talk of the town. So life itself, you know, looking at other people's lives and what they're going through, what I've gone through, you know, interacting with people, getting to pick their brains, and you know, so all of that comes up to you know, put me in a creative space. Yeah, where I can literally just sit and just think of a person. I'll think about something that somebody talked about, and if it hits me, if it just goes, you're like, everything just comes.
Yeah.
It falls in place. Because it's like you're telling yourself a story in your head, and your instrument. The importance of learning an instrument now is your guitar will tell you, or your keyboard will tell you the mood. If it's sad, if it's happy, if it's so it's sad.
Okay, all right, we see you. All right, and also as a listener, if I am listening to your music, what should I expect to get out from it?
If you're listening, you will get a little inspiration out of it, or a warning out of it. If you just want to vibe to the beat, you vibe to the beat, because the producers I'm working with are brilliant. The Meggies, the Melma, you know, the GL, you know, they're brilliant. They'll make beats that will literally move you. So if you're about the dancing and the vibing to the beat, they'll provide a nice beat for you to dance to. But
I mean, looking at Live, it is a heartbreak song that,
you know, right? Yeah, so if you want to listen to the words, pay attention to the lyrics, you will find another thing to pay attention to. You know, say, either I'm talking about something and I'll put it in a way that will catch your ear in a way. Yeah, probably. Something like that.
Okay.
That you connect to the environment of the beat and the vocals and everything.
Okay. All right.
That's how you explain it.
Yeah. All right. Now let's talk about what's one song that you randomly, you know, came up with. It was just random. You're just like, okay, I think I have an idea. That's a song right there. If there is any.
Most of my songs. Let's see. Ndingarule.
Okay.
Yes. Ndingarule was just supposed to be a freestyle for what was happening. I've talked about it. It was a certain time where Honorable Usi was like, I can talk about stuff and stuff and stuff. So that just gave me the vibe, Honor, Ndingarule. So it was that vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that one was just random like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's talk about your branding. We've seen the, you know, the locks. These are new to us, some of us, yes. Yeah, so should we expect Loiso to be the brand that has the dreadlocks? Kabena Muziribanga surprise each and every.
Hey, when I cut my hair, I look like, you know, one of those kind of things. So let's just pray we don't get to a point where you see me hairless. Because I don't know how that's gonna end. And don't go snooping on the internet, because you won't find any hairless photos of me. Pretty much. If we end up changing the hair, we'll go with what the muses and the time tells us. But let's hope we don't go bald. Thank you very much.
All right. Now talking of up-and-coming artists, can you just tell me what are some of the challenges that up-and-coming artists are facing right now in the country?
There's this matter of respecting a person. But I think it's an okay thing. I think that's how life is. There's a point where you are disrespected when you're on the rise or doing something, and then you just have to take it.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about it. And there's a time where now you will reach at a certain point where you can shush the disrespect. So a lot of young artists are disrespected, called at shows and not treated right, and stuff like that. So pretty much the disrespect demotivates a lot of people. You're like, if this is what it is like, what's up and coming, So that's the biggest issue I've noted. Yeah, you're an upcoming artist.
You don't have a say.
Yeah, even when you're not saying anything, people just look at you as if you're saying, "Oh, look at him, just looking mysterious, up and coming, but look at his eyes. What is he looking at?" Type of stuff. So, yeah, treat all them niggas out there right, because they are really, you would be surprised.
Okay.
They are really putting in the work. So, respect goes to respect.
Yeah.
You made an upcoming artist who won't take it. So, stuff like that.
Yeah, so the one that stands out mostly is the disrespect.
Yeah. That stands out a lot.
Yeah.
That stands out a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, this year has been, I would say, pretty much good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're getting, the numbers that you've always wanted, maybe, or did not. It's a surprise. We don't know. Yeah. Now, I know challenges are tarari, but we still have like a couple of days to go before the year ends. Maybe 3, 4, 5 days. Should we expect? Loiso here. Your marriage is at December. When we should still vibe to liver.
Now, vibe to liver. Let's burn them livers. Or let's stop alcohol, because that song is going to communicate to these two people.
Yeah.
And if we end up dropping something, we'll surprise you. But we have a couple of shows coming up, so if we cannot drop anything, you're welcome to come vibe with us at any of the shows that is going on. Yeah. So yeah, but we have a couple of music recorded, just waiting for drops, dates and stuff like that. Yeah. So if we drop any, it's gonna be a surprise. If we don't, let's go link up at the shows that are gonna be happening.
Okay. All right. And then now come next year.
Next year, an EP and an album.
Oh, EP album. I think I like the sound of that. Guy, and then you give us the full package.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, God have mercy.
All right. Now, are there Malawian artists that you would like to collaborate with?
Yeah.
Drop them names.
Do you want me to drop them names?
Yeah, drop them names.
We're naming names. Okay. I met Eugene last time.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Joe Icon. The Gods. I think I would want to collaborate with everybody, but my management wouldn't.
Yeah, they wouldn't allow.
Yeah, because that would be redundant. But I think I would want to collaborate with anybody with a good vibe.
Yeah.
We meet at the studio, we're working on something, and then the vibe is just right.
Yeah.
We work on something. I don't believe in the formal stuff when it comes to writing songs, because the muses decide to give you words when they decide to. Most of the times when you say, let me sit down and write something, it doesn't happen. Or it does happen, but it sounds like you're reading it.
Yeah.
So I just work with the vibe. If we're in the studio together and the vibe is just right, we'll definitely collab.
Okay.
Yes.
Let the vibes click, let the collaborations meet, begin. Either way, yeah, whatever.
Either ways.
Either ways. All right, now for an upcoming artist that's, being skeptical about the music industry, can you just encourage them on, you have not, started not so far, yeah? Just encourage them on, it's okay to start small, it's okay to start, below. There are ladders and steps to this thing.
Yeah. The biggest thing you have to make sure that you have, and this is a must, stay alive. I say that every time because as long as you're still breathing, as long as you're still okay, something might happen or something might not happen.
Yeah.
But if you're really working towards something is most likely to happen. So keep fit, take care of yourselves. Frustrations happen. How you handle them afterwards is what matters. So I've got my own bluebirds in life, things that would hold me back. But I told myself I love music and I'll do it. Not for anybody but myself. If anybody will tag along and tell me they like it, they should like it after I love my own stuff. So be alive, love your own music, be willing to learn. Music is so diverse that you cannot be the best. So be open to suggestions and learn. You know who's better than you.
Yeah.
If you're being honest with yourself, and it's clear as day. So find mentors, good influencers that will put you in a creative space where you can just embrace what you have, be it painting and whatsoever, upcoming artists in whatever field. Stay alive, work towards your goal, and you will or you will not achieve it, but you'll do it for yourself. That's it.
Guys, stay alive. Alive and alive.
Especially by 25 even never started one.
Yeah. It's festive season anyway. Jesus is the reason for the season. Please behave and respect yourself.
Jesus is the reason for the season.
Yes. Yeah.
But it's that.
Yeah. And people have talked about, how we as Malawians don't have a specific genre that we can call our own, yeah? But we have seen you use whatever genre that you do with, the local touch. What's your take on that? Do you think there's going to come a time where we're going to be like, yes, as Malawians, we have this genre and it is ours and we can embrace it?
Yeah, I think so because I think a lot of artists that are coming out now are studying the music that they're doing. They're not just doing it because they're doing it. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna put a name to it soon. I see that happen very soon.
Very soon.
Very, very, very soon.
All right, and maybe as we're finishing, words to your fans.
Aineo nathokoza kwambili. Nibona uyamika.
Is that a forced accent?
Aita.
Okay.
Uyamika dele ifaje chili chose. You've been very nice. And it's surreal. I say that all the time. Surreal, surreal, surreal. If I'm dreaming, if somebody wakes me up, the person is dead. So let's keep on dreaming together in color and, we can fly and the sky is not the limit anymore. So with your guys, everything is possible. So let's keep in touch, I have a lot of friends now on social media. So let's keep in touch, let's keep on talking, let's keep updating each other and grow together, pretty much.
All right, guys, let's keep in touch and grow together, yeah? And this has been Loiso, and I'm pretty sure he has answered most of your wanted questions, or you have known something about him. So yeah, let us meet again in the next episode of Trending Star, and I have been Adinasi Chunga.
Trending stars.